middle of 2021. And I remember seeing an article in Yahoo Finance that said 2020 was the largest entrance of Black people into the stock market in history.
Mm.
And the first thing I thought about, just from my perspective, working in the industry, I was like, I'm excited to see that, and at the same time, I'm like, they're gonna need some help.
Yeah, yeah, right. You're right. You're right.
We know the pandemic, had a profound effect in a lot of ways,
Hmm.
and one of which is a actually beautiful thing, is people realize that, hey, I can't rely on corporations and my employer to sustain what I need.
Hmm.
Life is short. Having one source of income is too close to having zero. So,
Yeah.
that resonated with a lot of people and forced them to look outside the box to be creative with how they were generating income.
Right.
Since we were all locked in, we're having to do things from home to do that. One of the easy ways to kind of start doing that was getting into the market, investing. It's kind of a unique environment that we're in, that over the last 5 years, younger generations, people of color, a lot of people that would have normally written off investing and,
Hmm.
and focusing on that have now been jumping into it. We see more people trading, a lot more courses
Yeah.
and all of that about trading and options and all of
Yeah.
this
All
stuff.
that. All that.
It's not to say that that's not a great thing and that people are realizing success with it. The problem goes back to what I mentioned before, is that same thing with the real estate. They realize, hey, this is an opportunity, and
Hmm.
they focus on it and they get tunnel vision on it. What are all of the things that your decision to now start trading in options or getting into real estate or doing any of these things, what impact does that have on your financial standing, as well as the goals that you're trying to achieve and your just overall financial health? I can assure you, most people are not going through that evaluation. And if they are, they probably don't know necessarily how to in the most optimal way. For example, if you're getting in the market and you have not thought about taxes, your investments are not going to work optimally.